X-Downs Stud drone reportedly recently drew attention from over 500 NATO representatives at a Romanian base, with mass production now underway in Europe. It weighs just 5.2 pounds, can reach speeds of 165 knots, and deploys in seconds for ISR, strike, and counter-drone missions. What this really shows is where modern unmanned systems are headed: fast, modular, and built for real deployment, not just prototypes. Whether it's high-speed drones or ground robotics, these systems only perform as well as their physical platform and maintenance cycle. At GuessR Inc., we support both sides of that equation. We manufacture custom 4-wheel UGV chassis built for autonomy, LiDAR, and ROS2 integration, ready for industrial and defense environments. We also provide drone repair services to keep UAV systems mission ready and operational. If you're building or maintaining unmanned systems, GuessR Inc. keeps your platforms moving and in the air. Contact GuessR Inc. Link in the comment section of this video.